Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and we have got the Musée de l'Armée Dagger. So this is an interesting and mysterious piece, so I probably haven't got that much to say about it, in fact. So there is one in the Army Museum in Paris, and that is what this is based on. So we have a brass pommel here with the zoomorphic heads on it, scale tang, which is quite unusual for a dagger of this period, and then a steel guard, iron guard, and a single edge blade, as you see there. Tubular rivets coming through. So it's very unusual in lots of ways for a dagger. So the scale tang, the difference in materials here, and then of course the pommel itself, not just the zoomorphic heads on it, but the actual shape of it. So the only one that I know of exactly like this is in the Army Museum. You have some similar ones that are coming out of Germany, and rather oddly, you have some fairly similar daggers coming out of Ireland with crescent pommels a bit like this, but there's nothing exactly like it, and that makes it a little bit difficult to date, and it makes it a little bit difficult to geographically position. But I'm going to say that it is French or German. It is late 14th century, early 15th century, something like that, and it is just a lovely, lovely piece. So if you want something that your friends haven't got but you have got provenance for, that's the one you want, because it is fantastic. Unique, and it is unique. There are some weird daggers coming out at that time. The 14th century really seemed to be a time of experimentation with knives, where, particularly on eating knives as well, you get all sorts of weird and wacky shapes. You still get the normal ones, but you get the odd stuff too. And this is one of the odd ones that came out of it. So there you are, the Musée de l'Armée Dagger, round about 1400, give or take a bit.